Yo, what's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Kam Legend out here today. Beautiful day in Thailand. Just set it up shop. You know, when you're in nature as beautiful as this, you can just set up shop anytime, any place, anywhere. And you know, we can live the life we want. You know, it's only one ticket away to a destination. It's only a few documents to get a visa. It's only saying goodbye to friends and family that are gonna be with you when you reunite with them. You know, your family and friends will always be there if they're real ones. So there's nothing to worry about. You know, I'm here with my son. You know, we're just here, just living life. You know, I came here to this life to create and procreate. You know, in the essence that, you know, I've come to a new place. I could have been homesick. I could have said, you know what, it's a wrap. I came here and it's been divine that I just set up shop. I just set up shop in Thailand. I just came here on a whim, followed my intuition, and now I've created my own destiny, you know? So this is what we've come here to do. We've come here to not only be in existence, but to carry on the blood lineage of your family. And I feel, you know, it's better to, when you're in sync, you can start to build the foundations in your life, start to do the things you want to do, because the solar plexus, which is your third chakra, is all about creativity, is all about your emotions, all about these kind of things. But that same energy that we use can be used to build foundations larger than life, you know? So that's what I'm all about. I'm all about, you know, just taking things to the next level. You know, I want a legacy. I want, you know, my name's Kam Legend. I want to be legendary, and legendary can just be in the existence of doing things to the best of my ability, knowing that I gave it all, you know? His mum's done his hair in a tie. He thinks he wants it out. You don't want his hair like that. But the sand. Let's see your hair. It's gone now. Caden. You know, I'm so happy that I found my purpose, because, you know, it's bigger than me. It's all nice going to the beach, but it's even better taking my family, seeing my son enjoy the finer things of life that are free. That's free as well. You know what I'm saying? Going to the beach is free. Getting fresh air is free. Getting the sun is free. So why is it such a struggle? Why is it such a struggle in this life to have to why is it such a struggle to get the things that are free in life? You know, so I want people to take this in and really take this into your psyche, that the best things in life are free. I swear to you. I've done a lot of things in my life to, you know, hustle, make money, you know, dark hat, white hat, whatever you want to say. But I've done things overall, and I swear to you, money doesn't bring the happiness. And I didn't understand that till I went to certain places, certain situations where I was getting paid a lot of money, and then I let go of that, took a pay cut to come to Thailand. And then within the same week, I received the same money I was on. and that's the universe. That's the fucking universe, bruv. You know, it's the universe always works for you. I can give you an example. So when I was coming to Thailand, I was looking at what jobs can I do to make money, because being a teacher, the salary wasn't cutting it, you know. And I saw on the list that you can do like filming jobs, you know, extra roles and all of that. And it's funny because I did this in the UK. I was on films on Tarzan doing the whole tribal thing with the tribal clothing. I was doing the Star Wars. I was a stormtrooper and an armyman. You know, I got a little cameo there for a few seconds, you know. So I've done that before. And what the magic is of this universe is, because I've done that before, and I saw that on the website that I was looking at for getting a job here, that sent out to the universe that, oh, and it impressed on my mind that, oh, I've done this before. So it's easy to manifest things that you've already manifested in the first place. So as soon as I landed in Thailand, I didn't apply for no job. I rented a bike, I rented a motorbike, and the first thing, the person I rented the motorbike from had a casting agency. This is the magic of synchronicity, and this is how it shows that manifesting is very easy when it's something you've manifested before. You get me? That's how you can manifest bad things into your life. You're getting the same kind of girl or the same kind of male every time. And you're like, why am I getting this same kind of person? Because you're vibrating on that same kind of frequency. So you attract that same kind of energy. When you're able to look at things as frequency, vibration, and energy, you know, you'll understand this. So I was able to get that. I was able to get a job on doing stunts for a film, a French film called Gangster Paradise on Netflix. I was able to manifest that unconsciously because I impressed that on my mind that I've done this before. It went out to the universe, and the universe makes things happen. Universe makes things happen in a way that doesn't logically make sense. As long as you can learn that also, then you'll be able to let go and not feel like you need to control. I'm still manifesting great things into my life now based on this universal law. There's nothing wrong with learning the universal law. It shouldn't go against any religion. You know, and I'm not doing this about religion. I don't want this to be a religion debate. I want this so you can live your goals and dreams and don't be held back by dogma. You know, so yeah, it is what it is, man. I really hope this can help anyone to learn that we've come here to create, procreate, be in essence a god yourself, and that's not blasphemy. You want to be a good version of yourself that God is proud of. God ain't proud of people wishing and hoping on him to come and save you. God only saves people that save themselves, and it's as simple as that. So if you've liked this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, let me know. Tell me what kind of content you want to see. Like I said, if you want to know about living abroad, what's the hurdles you got to overcome, do you need to be thick-skinned, all these kind of things, message me. IG Kam Legend. Peace.